What we do as a team is provide quality software. We try to envision with the customer the solution that they require.
If you can think about information kind of flowing down from your business and financial systems within a manufacturer down to the control layer at the equipment level, there's all this integration that has to happen in between. Passing data down, passing data back up, integrating things together. So that's really where my teams come into place.
The real skill is in understanding your customer and being able to translate between the technical side and the actual execution that's needed from the business standpoint.
A lot of custom software development has to happen. Typical projects could range anywhere from dispatching orders down to equipment, to performing track and traceability on products that are going down production lines, to developing full-blown material handling solutions, and everything in between.
The project we're working on right now is for a brand new HMI, which is a clone of an old VAX VMS system. So no documentation, not the best requirements, frankly, but we take what we have, we work with the customer, we work with operations, and we make it happen.
We typically look for folks with computer science or computer science related degrees.
The ability to keep up, to dig in, not be afraid to tackle and take ownership of a task.
So somebody that has a lot of experience in a lot of different technologies and also experience within manufacturing would be a plus for us. So somebody who's willing to go deep with our customers and really learn their business and be able to become an expert within their manufacturing domain.
Ultimately, there's some artwork that is still part of the process for creating software. Elegance in code is really what you're shooting for.
We have a lot of campers and hikers and bikers and people who are into Taekwondo and other disciplines and just kind of keeping themselves physically healthy and active.
Woodworking or auto mechanical stuff.
And we have a lot of people who are doing hobby projects outside of work as well, really taking the things that they're learning at Flexware and applying them to their own life in a fun way.